Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is very powerful because you will learn 100 essential daily English sentences for beginners. These sentences are simple, natural, and used every single day by native speakers. If you practice these sentences slowly, calmly, and daily, your speaking confidence will grow, your listening skills will improve, and your English will feel easier and more natural. So sit back, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's begin your practice together. Listen to each sentence, repeat after me, and feel the words. The more you repeat, the more your tongue, your mouth, and your mind will get used to English. Let's start. I am ready. I feel good today. I want to learn English. I can do this. I will try my best. I am listening carefully. I understand you. I don't understand. Please say it again. Please speak slowly. I am at home. I am going outside. I am coming now. I am waiting here. I am eating right now. I am drinking water. I am getting ready. I am feeling tired. I am feeling better. I am feeling relaxed. This is good. This is bad. This is easy. This is hard. This is important. This is not important. This is for me. This is for you. I like this. I don't like this. I need help. I need time. I need a break. I need to think. I need water. I need food. I need my phone. I need to go. I need to talk. I need to rest. I want this. I don't want this. I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to learn more. I want to go home. I want to try again. I want a new start. I want to practice. I want to speak clearly. Can you help me? Can you repeat that? Can you wait a moment? Can you show me? Can you explain this? Can you come here? Can you hear me? Can you see this? Can you do it? Can you start now? I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel strong. I feel worried. I feel calm. I feel excited. I feel confident. I feel ready. I feel relaxed. I will call you. I will text you. I will come soon. I will help you. I will try again. I will do it. I will learn more. I will speak slowly. I will remember this. I will not give up. I am sorry. It's okay. Don't worry. Take your time. No problem. Thank you so much. You're welcome. See you later. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. You are doing great. You can do this. You are learning well. Keep going. Don't stop.
Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Practice every day. Small steps matter. You are improving. Now take a deep breath. You just repeated 100 essential English sentences. If you practice these every day, your confidence will grow, your fluency will become stronger, and your communication will become easier. These simple sentences are powerful because they are used in real daily life, and when your brain learns them, speaking becomes natural. Let's repeat a few powerful ones again to finish the lesson. I can do this. I am learning every day. I speak clearly. I am confident. I am improving. English is getting easier for me. I believe in myself. You did amazing today. You practiced slowly, you repeated carefully, and you completed 100 daily English sentences. Keep practicing this lesson every day for 1 week, and your speaking will change. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking with confidence.